Hello, George here. I want to remind you about some strange findings that we discovered in 2011 with Elenin. When Elenin was photographed close up using special cameras, it was discovered that the shape of the comet itself was tetrahedral. Also, during the entry of Elenin, during some key alignments with Elenin and the planets, there were major earthquakes that occurred and these occurred when Elenin was approaching the sun, but did not recur when Elenin was exiting the sun. This suggests that Elenin is not a comet, because a comet doesn't really have a geometric shape at its core and does not behave differently or cause different effects when coming in and leaving. Because other indicators, as I made in the previous video, was that Elenin was actually tracing a message in the sky. This led me to suspect, although there's no confirmation of course, that Elenin might not be a comet, but could be a messenger of some kind, and in the heavens, messengers are angels. So it might be a special type of angels. We don't really know what angels really look like, but if they are multi-dimensional beings, then a projection of a multi-dimensional being into a three-dimensional space could be a regular geometric shape. But that's just a speculation. This is interesting because ISON has now been photographed closely and using special cameras to see inside the comet's cloud. And they also discover a tetrahedral shape within the comet. This suggests that ISON and Elenin could be similar types of things. And so ISON might not be a comet. ISON too is tracing a message in the sky. Another thing, just to remind you that on the beginning of Hanukkah, on November 28, there is a conjunction between ISON and the star Teshuvah, which means forehead, in the constellation Scorpio, which represents the Redeemer's conflict in biblical astronomy. Towards the end of Hanukkah, December 5, the Elenin is seen exiting the orbit of Saturn. Saturn is basically the furthermost of the major planets that are used in biblical astronomy.